We've got something so fundamentally wrong about the scientific method. And here's an example. It says this methodology involves carefully defining terms, which no one in mathematics does. We have no definitions at all in mathematical physics. Not one that we can sink our teeth in. So I don't know what this involves carefully defining terms means, or what they're talking about. They continue conducting controlled experiments when possible. Why do we need to conduct an experiment to give an explanation? I mean, if you want to conduct an experiment, go ahead, but what's that got to do with science? Science is the explanation, not doing experiments. Practicing the law of parsimony and adopting philosophic doubt or skepticism. Skepticism, doubt, is that science? I mean, you can doubt all you want, but that's got to do with belief, with religion, not with explanation. Okay? Although all the methods of science are important, practicing skepticism is crucial to protecting oneself from believing unsubstantiated claims. Yeah, you're talking about belief. You're not talking about explaining rationally and objectively. So again, people have this notion that science is about belief, that it's got to do with proof, with presenting evidence, with doing experiments to present evidence so that you can prove, so that you can convince and convert the jury. That's not science. That's called religion. That's called belief. Okay, that's opinion. Right now, people are mistaken if they think that's the scientific method. No, science is not about belief. Okay, that's mathematics. The mathematical physics, that's about belief. You know, they give you a rotten explanation, an idiotic explanation. They say, believe it. Why should I believe it? Well, because we did the test, we did the experiment, we proved it. Here's the equation. We have repeatable experiments. We can predict what's going to happen, and therefore we know. And you say, well, hold it. Okay, you did all that, and you're telling me that a particle can be at two places at once. That's your explanation. Or you're telling me the Earth drags space-time, four-dimensional space-time around itself. Those are the conclusions. Those are the theories. You want me to believe in that?